Okay, I hope you can see me because today I am going to go through symbols for circuits and how we are actually going to draw them. This will be easier if you were here, but this is the next best thing. So you got to bear with me. And I got 5 minutes to do this. So if you look at here, you can see my cursor, follow my cursor. It's going a little bit too fast, but I'll slow it down now. Now, you have a switch, a cell, battery, lamp, voltmeter, ammeter, resistor, variable resistor, and a motor. Now, if I ask you to draw circuits, these are the symbols that I would love for you to use. So you might want to copy these down and you might want to keep it with you when we do the questions later. Now, how do we use these? Well, I'm going to zoom down. Well, I'm going to scroll down actually. Everything's wrong at the moment, and zoom in. All right. So to use these symbols, this is what we do. Now on the left here, you have, I guess, images of the real things. So you've got a battery and you've got a lamp. Now, looking at the symbols that you drew, and I'll refresh your memory up here, we got a battery and a cell. So let's just use the battery or one of the cells things, okay? And we need a lamp. So this is what you need to use. So now, if you scroll down, we're going to draw a cell. And I need you to pay attention very carefully here. We use straight lines like this to draw our wires. So we're going to connect the battery or the cell using straight lines, and then we're going to connect it to our lamp or a light bulb. So we're going to draw a lamp and a light bulb here, and we're going to bring it back to the battery. So the electrical current or the electrons have to go from the battery to the lamp and then back. Now, if you break this circuit, this might not actually run because you are not a closed circuit. It's an open circuit. That's how switch works, okay? So just as an example, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to do the first question here with you. All right, so we need to draw a series circuit with a cell, open switch, and a lamp. Now, after I draw the circuit, I'm going to tell you what a series circuits mean. All right, I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to draw the first one. So we need a cell. So if you want to follow along, follow along. If you just want to watch, watch. Okay, we're going to use this. We're going to draw our cell first, and we're going to use straight lines to draw our wires. Now we need an open switch. So let's go back over here. An open switch looks like that. So we are going to try our best to draw that, open it up, and then keep going. And now we need a lamp. So a lamp looks like that with the cross. And we are done. So now you've drawn a circuit with a cell, an open switch, and a lamp. Now this circuit, yes, we've drawn it correctly, but the lamp will not turn on because the switch is open. This is an open circuit. If you close the switch, then the lamp will turn on. Now, if you want to make a closed switch, we just simply do that. Now, this is called a series circuit because the electricity only has one pathway following along the straight lines along the circuit, okay? So that's a series circuit. It only needs one pathway. Now, I'm going to draw you a second one. This is called a parallel circuit, okay? So again, we need a cell with 2 lamps. So first thing I want you to do is this. We're going to take it step by step. We're going to draw our cell first, and we're going to draw our first circuit with one of the lamps. So let's use our straight lines and draw a lamp and complete that circuit. Now, we need a parallel circuit now. So this is what a parallel circuit looks like. So remember, this is a series circuit. There's only one pathway. I'm going to draw you a parallel circuit now. So I'm just going to extend that, come back around, draw a second lamp, and then join that back here. So I'm going to swap the colors so it's a little bit easier to see. So here, going around here, you have one pathway, and then this way here is a second pathway. So in a parallel circuit, you actually have two pathways, and in a series circuit, you only have one pathway.